of second place with a 6-3 record. We have Coach Noel Orculio, Alea Malaluan, Amy Provido, and Shebana Laput. Coach, congratulations for this victory. It's a hard-earned win for you guys. You had to grind it out. So ano masasabi mo sa pinakitang effort ng mga girls para makabawi kayo from your first round loss to UST?
Yan nga, sabi nga namin sa mga bata, umpisa pa lang, gusto yun yung manalo. Ito, labanan ng puso. Kasi yun yung lagi namin sinasabi sa kanila na hindi po pwedeng papasok tayo sa loob. Ang umiiral sa atin yung takot. Andiyan na yung kaba, talagang naando na yung kaba eh. Pero pag kailangan i-overcome nyo yan habang naglalaro. So, sabi nga namin kanina, nung nakuha yung fourth set, gustuin nyo lang nung pagdating ng fifth set. Gustuin nyo lang manalo. So, yun, naging maganda, ginusto, naging maganda resulta.
Take to Chefs, you had 15 of 30 attacks, 1 block, and 4 digs. So, it was a very tough game for you guys and a bounce back win. So, what can you say about the team's effort to pull this through? What can you say?
I mean, this has been a long time coming. This is something we've been wanting ever since last year. This is a big hugot for us. So, there's nothing to say except that I'm proud of us for getting through this. I'm happy with the result, but of course, there's always room for improvement.
Thank you to Amy. You had 8 attacks, 4 blocking the one against Red Chorado, and 2 digs and 2 excel receptions. So, yung game-sealing block against Red Show, ano masasabi mo doon sa last play nyo na nagpanalo? That very crucial block.
I'm just happy din sa performance ko today. Binigay ko lang talaga din yung best ko for the team kasi kitang-kita ko din sa kanila na gustong-gusto din nila manalo, and yeah, I'm happy sa performance ng lahat, and yun, naging worth it yung pinaghirapan namin.
Thank you to Alea, the other double-digit score for Lasal with 8 of 34 attacks and 2 blocks, and you had 10 extra receptions and 5 digs. So, ano masasabi mo sa contributions for this game to help Lasal get back on the winning track? What can you say?
Although like may on and off situations ako sa loob ng court, I just told myself to be an ate inside the court. Kahit man di ako makakontribute sa points, at least na-feel ng mga bata na may ate na nag-guide sa kanila. Lalo na nung latter part ng set, kailangan may mag-step up to lead, to talk to them. Ako yung parang nag-effort to do that. Although I'm not used to it, at least nag-effort ako. Yeah.
Thank you, Alea. Okay, the floor is open for questions.
Coach, a lot of emotions for Angel in particular pagkatapos ng game. Can you just talk about what happened, kung may share na po yung team at this point with Angel?
Something Angel was going through a lot of emotions. Is there anything that the team can share about Angel and how she is?
Actually, after the game, siyempre, emotional. Actually, kasi naapektuhan din siya nung tinamaan siya ni Shabana sa batok, medyo nahilo, parang nahihilo. So, yun nga, after the game, although naging emotional, before pa sinasabi na sa amin na si Angel medyo hindi maganda yung so kinuha nga agad ng mga PT namin tsaka yung doktor namin. So, hopefully maging maayos. Hindi naman maging malala yung naging tama sa kanya.
Coach, on that note, siguro how proud are you na lang of the players dun sa pinakita nilang laban? Of course, down 1-2 yung sets, pero yun, naitawid niyo yung panalo.
Yun nga, yun yung sinabi namin, pinaalala namin ng fifth set, nung nakuha, gustuin nating manalo. Ito na yung pagkakataon na andito na, wag na tayong bumitaw, wag niyong bibitawan hanggat naglalaro tayo hanggang hindi tapos yan, huwag kayong bibitaw. Basta't gustuhin nyo lang.
For the players na lang siguro, medyo similar situation with the first round against UST, 5 sets, dikitan. What were the lessons that you guys got from that first round loss that you guys, kumbaga binaon nyo dito sa second round?
Siguro what we've learned ng first round is that, ayun nga, nagkaroon kami ng lapses. So, we've been working hard the past few days para prepared kami this game, and at the same time mas feeling ko mas pinusuan namin this game kasi may hugot kami. So parang mas kailangan namin gustuhin and magtiwala sa sarili namin and sa isa't isa na kaya namin. Kung kaya ng ibang teams, kaya din namin.
For me naman, siguro yung natutunan ko is hindi maging complacent. Kasi nung first round nga, ahead na kami ng 2 sets. Pero yun, kumalma kami kaya hindi namin nakuha yung game. Pero ngayon, kinapitan talaga namin hanggang dulo.
For me po, I believe that our team isn't kulang in the skills. What we need to work on is the mental aspect. And that's something that we learned from last round as well as from the NU recent loss. The question is who wants it more? And the answer has to be we want it more.
To the players also, ever since last year, UST has had your number, but this time around, you made sure na kayo na manalo. So, the question lang siguro is ano yung naging advantage nyo over UST this game that made you win the game? Na parang ano yung naging advantage you over them? Aliyah, ikaw na lang muna.
I think one of our advantages is that mas nanaig yung puso namin. Kasi as what I've said earlier, parang kailangan talaga namin gustuhin. Although may lapses nga kami, at least nandun, feel namin kahit may nawawala, may willing may willing na mag-step up, and at the same time, willing lahat, kahit nagiging off, willing na parang we have this goal, we have to get this win. Para, we have that advantage as well.
Amy, same question.
Siguro, for me naman, this time, parang ginusto lang din talaga namin lahat. Parang lahat nag-step up, kaya nakuha na.
Siobhan.
I mean, since last year, we've lost to UST, and we've played against them how many times? So imagine the build-up, the who got that we have felt. So of course, we played with that in our hearts. We played with that in our hearts as well as we want to win more. We know that we deserve to win. We've put in the effort. So that's all we can really say. It's all about the mental.
Coach, ano na nagustuhan mo? Doon nga sa pinakitang puso ng mga girls mo this time around pa finally manalo na kayo over UST.
Yun nga nakita nga namin na yung mga bata hindi umayaw hanggang dulo. Kaya sabi nga namin, ito na yon. Kaya natin kunin to. Basta kumapit lang kayo, magtulong-tulong, i-compose niyo lang yung sarili niyo, wag niyo intindihin yung ingay sa labas, isipin niyo lang tayo lang yung naglalaro dito. Kaya hangga't maaari, i-compose lang yung sarili, focus lang doon sa ginagawa nila.
Shavana, you were the one who had that collision with Angel earlier in that fourth set. Can you exactly tell me what happened, or what caused the mishap of you bumping into her, and what exactly did she tell you after that?
What just happened is that I had hit the ball, and she was the one behind me to, cover for me. But then she had fell and stayed on the floor, and I was still landing. So of course my landing was a bit off, and then I couldn't balance myself, and then unfortunately my knee hit her head. But after that, Angel is such a strong person, very strong mentally, especially we need that as a team captain from her. Honestly, she didn't, blame me at all or anything like that. She just said, laban, puso, keep going. That's it.
Coach, you're playing Ateneo next on Wednesday. Ateneo on a 3-match winning streak. So, what can you say? Kasi ito, lalo na ngayon na yung maganda na yung laban natin ngayon for the twice to be sa final. For your thoughts about the next match?
Kami naman, kung sino man yung dadating na game, sabi nga namin, nung matalo sa NU, girls, kalimutan na yan, one game at a time, isa-isahin natin kung sino yung unang dadating, yun ang paghandaan. So, ganon din naman ang gagawin namin sa Ateneo. Kung ano yung paghahandang ginagawa namin sa mga laban namin, ganon pa rin yung gagawin namin. Wala kaming tawag dito, babaliwalain. Tutok pa rin kung ano yung dapat aralin sa Ateneo kung paano namin sila mapipigil.
And to Shelves, against Ateneo, after you're gonna recover from this very long match, so your thoughts about the next against Ateneo?
Just like Coach said, it's taking it one game at a time. we gotta we gotta rest, but then also be ready agad for the Ateneo game because no matter what happens, we're just gonna play our game and tuloy.
Congratulations, Coach Noel, Amy, Alea, and Chefs. Thank you.